Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Python and a pre-trained model to recognize objects in images. Let's dive in step by step. Here are the steps that is needed for creating the object identifier from image. We need to import libraries, load pre-trained model, load image and process, make prediction, display a result. First, we import MobileNetV2 from Keras. This is a pre-trained model that can recognize 1,000 different objects, like cats, dogs, and cars. Pre-trained means it already learned from millions of images, so we don't have to train it ourselves. Next, we import two helper functions, preprocess_input and decode_predictions. Preprocess_input prepares our image so the model can understand it. Decode_predictions converts the model's raw output into human-readable labels and confidence scores. We also need NumPy library. Now, we load our pre-trained model using MobileNetV2 with ImageNet weights. This gives us a model that's ready to look at images and make predictions. Next, we define the path to our image. In this case, we have a picture of a cat saved in our project folder. We will update the path later. Then, we convert the image into a NumPy array using img_to_array. We add an extra dimension using expand_dims. The model expects a batch of images, even if we only have one. Now, we ask the model to predict what's in the image using model.predict. The output is a list of probabilities for all 1,000 classes MobileNetV2 knows. We decode the top 3 predictions using decode_predictions. This converts the model's raw numbers into labels like ABC, along with confidence scores. Top 3 means we get the 3 most likely guesses. Finally, we print the top 3 predictions. For each prediction, we show the label and the confidence score as a percentage. This tells us what the model thinks is in the image, and how sure it is. And that's it. With just a few lines of Python, we can use a powerful pre-trained model to recognize objects in images. We can try this with any picture and see what the model predicts. So we have the libraries imported, we have the pre-trained model loaded, we have the image processing done, and then we have the make prediction and print the result. Let us update the path of the image and run this. Here I have an image named image1.jpg. Run the program and see the output in the terminal. It's using my CPU as I do not have GPU for processing in my MacBook here. Let's see the results what it predicted. As per it, the image could be a tabby cat, and it's 62% sure, or it could be a tiger cat, and is only 15% sure, or lastly it could be an Egyptian cat. As you see we have our image1.jpg. So now let's go to the path and see is that really a cat image and see how accurate is our system. See? That's a cat. So that means our application works fine. Now let's try a different image and test it again to see if it really is good or not. Run the app again in the terminal. This time I will reveal the image first and then we would see if our system does this correctly or not. So we have an elephant now. See? The result says, it's an African elephant and it is 65% confident. And also its other guesses are Tusker or Indian elephant. Try this R and make your own object identifier and follow for more.